Partisan activity is increasing in Russia. The attacks are increasing on daily basis. In less than a day, 6 regions of Russia were attacked by saboteurs and drones. In Krasnodar, an explosion occurred in the center of the city. In Belgorod, a drone dropped an explosive device on the Russian oil company Gazprom. In Bryansk, 3 drones attacked the village of Strativa. In St. Petersburg, saboteurs burned a railroad relay cabinet. In Moscow, people set fire to a railway relay cabinet station. In the Rostov region, there was an attempt to strike at Russian military airfield where the 559th Bomber Aviation Regiment is based. And also in Rostov, a warehouse is on fire. What started with only a small fire now turned into a big one covering over large area. It is unclear how the fire started, so it seems that Putin's plan to cause havoc and chaos in Ukraine perfectly backfired. And Freedom for Russia Legion published a video about their excursion to Belgorod region of Russia. Legion Freedom of Russia and the Russian Volunteer Corps captured FSB officers, said in an interview commander of the Legion Caesar. About our losses, 2 of our people died and 10 were injured. The enemy's losses amounted to 2 companies. About 10 units of military equipment were destroyed. 5 units of military equipment were captured. Several people from the FSB were taken prisoners. But the number is not final, because although our assault units left the territory of the Russian Federation, our artillery and the UAV group continue to work in the area. Search and destruction of the enemy, Caesar says.
Они драпали как зайцы и сдавались в плен.
And we have a story about 39 convicts that were forcefully conscripted from prison by the Russian military. They killed an officer and escaped from the Storm Z training camp in Lysychansk in occupied Luhansk. FSB Special Forces units in neighboring Russian regions have been put on alert. Order given to shoot to kill. Manhunt is in progress. It's never boring in Russia, I guess. Some sources previously reported of possibilities that Wagner's Prigozhin may be involved with his mercenaries in creating such chaos to discredit Shoigu and the defense ministry. since he is no longer allowed to recruit volunteer prisoners. Instead, the Ministry of Defense now conscripts prisoners to units such as Storm Z by force. And this is funny. HIMARS pops to give his commentary. Wait for it. Here it looks like the Ukrainians lobbed a small nuke at a Russian position in Bakhmut. More realistic option is that this is an JDAM's hit on an ammo depot. Attention, Alaska. Russian propagandists discuss rocket strikes on Alaska. When one of them asks why, Skabyeva promptly replies, "To make them feel scared." I know what are you going to say. Why are we watching this? They are funny, that's why.
А нам надо, наоборот, чтобы не мы отвечали на те угрозы, которые нам противопоставляются, а они метались, не понимая, что делать дальше. Да. И когда мы говорим, что надо...
Нападем на Техас.
Техас не надо. Вот у нас есть стратегические ядерные силы, которые держатся территории Америки. Но я вам напомню, что у нас через пролив Аляска.
Аляска. Понятно.
И вот там-то наши оперативные ракеты «Искандеры», баллистического, крылатом, они вполне в состоянии вычистить Аляску дотла. Причем там много не надо, там пару бригад хватит по самой уши. В одной бригаде 12 пусковых, по 2 штуки на каждой, 24, плюс боезапас.
А зачем?
48 на бригаду. Потому что сегодня...
Чтоб боялись.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.